Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Fry's raspberry cream. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Here we go again, another commercial candy copycat. I've never tasted a Fry's raspberry cream, but when I found out about it, I knew I had to make it. Dark chocolate and raspberry are, for me, at least an irresistible combination. I couldn't find a recipe online, but I found some sites that described it as raspberry fondant dipped in dark chocolate. That sounded simple enough that I thought I'd give it a go. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Fry's raspberry cream, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter softened, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 1 teaspoon of raspberry emulsion, and 10 ounces of dark chocolate melting wafers. If you want the center to be raspberry hued, add some red food coloring to that list. I wanted to stay true to the original. I'm also using a bowl, a spatula, a cutting board, some SilPat, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. In a medium bowl, mix the powdered sugar, softened butter, and light corn syrup until combined. Start stirring slowly to avoid a powdered sugar cloud. Clouded sugar? Mix in the raspberry emulsion and, if you're using it, food coloring. You can substitute an equal amount of extract if you'd like. Knead the mixture into a dough. Shape the dough into whatever size and shape you'd like. I went with fun size bars. Then put them in the refrigerator for about half an hour. Melt the wafers. Dip a piece into the chocolate, let the excess drain, and return it to the cutting board. Continue with the remaining pieces, then put them in the refrigerator for a few minutes to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. See, I knew this would be awesome, and it is. Snappy chocolate coating, smooth creamy center, and the chocolate raspberry combo works as well as ever. One side note, my daughter said that I should have used the food coloring because the white center makes it look like it should be mint flavored. Fair enough. Either way, if you're looking for a treat that's every bit as easy as it is delicious, you really ought to try these. Either way, if you're looking for a treat that's every bit as easy as